Hello friends, today I will discuss about the television camera. For this purpose, we have arranged a professional TV camera inside the TV studio. This is a JVC 3-tube professional camera. A camera has 3 parts. This is the lens part, this is the camera head parts, and this is signal processor and the signal output unit. Let us see lens once again. This is a zoom lens, and zoom lens is a combination of various lenses. First compartment is focus. We can do the focus of the scene from here. The second compartment is zoom. This zoom may be manual or motorized. Third compartment is iris area. We can restrict the light through this iris area, and back side of the iris there is a filter unit. Filter unit decide the type of light passing inside the camera. The filter number 1 denotes close up, filter 2 denotes 3200 degree Kelvin, filter 3 denotes 4500 degree Kelvin, and filter 4 denotes 5600 degree Kelvin, and filter 5 denotes as a close up. If you go ahead, we will get filter 1 again. The signal is visible here in viewfinder. One can look the picture through this viewfinder. This viewfinder is a small black and white monitor which has contrast as well as brightness adjustments. We can see the signal level change through the gain potentiometer. If the light level is low, we can increase the gain. If it is high, we can decrease the gain. Back side of this is the circuitry, and inside side by side is the color bar signal generator. This is needed for the camera adjustment. To control the light level, we have the iris control here. This is the manual position and this is the auto position. We have already told you that this is a 3-tube camera. 3-tube camera means 3 rasters, and 3 raster adjustment in coincidence we have to adjust through adjusting unit. To adjust the raster in coincidence, one had to generate R minus G and B minus G signals. We can generate here R minus G if we put R here and G in minus position. In the similar way, we can generate B minus G if we put the B here and minus G here. This test out signal is available at test output. If this is given to any monitor, we can see the signal position as well as the adjustment. To adjust these potentiometers for raster correction, the other parameters are here. Since the TV has the only 2-dimensional picture, so only horizontal as well as the vertical potentiometer are available here. So this is about raster correction, and these raster corrections are done on the tube. Let us see the position of tube inside this camera. These are three tubes, one for red, another for green, another for blue. Here you are seeing the metal covers, and this metal cover contains the deflection as well as the focus unit inside this one. To demonstrate you, we have arranged the tube which is fitted inside one in the similar one for demonstration purpose. Let us see the actual Cetican tube fitted inside this TV. This is the tube portion, this is the base portion, and this is the front portion. Front portion is covered because the sensor is very sensitive one. This is the sensor, and this metal ring gives the signal output, and that signal output after processing is available outside the camera, and that is given to monitor. TV has a black and white or color picture. If it is color, it may need color correction, and color correction may be first the white balance, and the white balance is available in this camera at this knob. White balance denotes white is white and black is black. If white is not white or black is not black, one may not get true color. So far, we have studied about the various positions of the camera components and its functioning. In the next part of the film, we will discuss the working of this camera. Thank you.